That's actually a 52-inch Hunter ceiling fan. I do not know the model. Well, there's a Hunter logo. Yeah, there's no light kit on it. Ceiling fan house does have a light kit, and there's spotlights. And polished brass, I think so. I don't know. Comment me what model is this fan. I'm going to show you all 3 speeds of this fan. So, there's low. Okay. Yes. It was installed in my cousin's house when they moved in. Well, comment me what model is this, because I do not know. Well, it's actually a Hunter fan. And there's a wall control switch right there, but I'm not doing that. I'm going to do the chain. Because it's easy for me to reach. Well, it controls me. Easy to reach. Okay. Medium. It wobbles a bit on medium. High. I'm filming.
Remember, Mom said, hey, if anyone's upstairs, you can trouble. I said, ooh. Well, I'm going to go back to them.
Sorry for the interruption to the people. It was a bit wobbly on high, too. There's a light, and they have to use spotlights. Okay, off. Okay, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.